with Apollo's belt, with Venus temples, a beauty carved in light and skin. He's the Sarah's man. Oh, and nothing shines like him. Maybe the gods took their time with him, mixed the sun and moon within, left a masterpiece to stand, a legend living flesh and man. Oh, what a man. He's the sexiest man of the Sarah, a harmony of fire and calm, Apollo's strength, Venus softness, carried in a single form. With every step the world remembers why the stars all favor him. He's the Sarah's man, and knows like Timon. And no one's like Timon.